Hi, we will be working on polynomial division today using synthetic division. We will have 3 examples today. So we will start with x squared plus 2x minus 15 divided by x minus 3. I know that it's easier to solve this using factoring, but just for solving purposes, we will solve this using synthetic division. So what we have to do is equate the denominator to 0. So that would be x minus 3 equal to 0. So x is 3. And then we will write the terms of our equation, and that will be x squared, x, and the constant k. So for x squared, the coefficient is 1. For x, it's 2, and the constant is negative 1. What we first do is bring down the first digit, so that's 1. Then we multiply it to 3, that would be 3, and we add 3 to the next digit, which is 2, so that would be 2 plus 3. And then we do that again, so that's 5 times 3 equal to 15, and then we add these two and we will get 0. That means that we don't have a remainder for this function. So our answer would be x plus 5. Okay, so let's work on another equation. So that would be x cubed plus 3x squared minus 16x plus 12 divided by x minus 2. So we do what we did earlier. We equate the denominator to 0, so we will get x minus 2 equal to 0, so x is equal to 2. And then we write our coefficients rather, so that's x raised to 3, then the coefficient of x squared, the coefficient of x, and the constant. So that's 1, 3, negative 16, and 12. Now we will divide it by 2. So let's bring down 1, multiply it to 2, and that would be 2. Add 3 and 2, and that would be 5. 5 times 2 is 10. Negative 16 plus 10 is negative 6, and then negative 6 times 2 is negative 12, so that's a remainder of 0. So our answer for this one is x squared plus 5x minus 6. Okay, let's try another one where the leading coefficient of the denominator is not 1. Instead, it's 2. So let's see what happens. So 2x cubed plus x squared minus 32x plus 24 divided by 2x plus 12. So since the leading coefficient is 2, synthetic division only works for functions which are linear and with the leading coefficient of 1. So what we should do is divide the denominator by 2. So if we do that, we should also divide the numerator by 2. So that will give us x cubed plus 3x squared minus 16x plus 12 divided by x plus 6. And then equate x plus 6 to 0, and that would be x equal to negative 6. So that means that this will be used for the synthetic division. So we should write our coefficients: 1, 3, negative 16, and 12. So we bring down 1, that's 1 times negative 6, 3 minus 6, negative 3 times negative 6, that's 18, minus 16, that's 2, times negative 6, that's negative 12, so our remainder is 0. And our answer is x squared minus 3x plus 12, plus 2 rather.